Do you know we have some storms on the radar you've been tracking this evening as well?
We do. No watches or warnings at this point,
Okay.
but the threat for flooding continues to increase because of the movement of these storms, moving from west to east over the same areas. This area was hit hard earlier today, and now we have some additional storms moving slowly from west to east across this same area. So from Sharpsville south to Tipton over toward Elwood, another strong thunderstorm with very heavy rain, lots of lightning. Can't rule out some damaging winds or some hail with this. And again, this area has been hit hard already, so that risk for flooding continues to increase. The eastern extent of this line goes into our eastern viewing area into places like Portland. You can see the movement as we put this into motion over the last hour or so, really not sinking much to the south, and eventually this entire line is going to lift north, but it's still going to take a couple of hours. The western part of this line extends back toward Lafayette, so we'll continue to keep a close eye on live Doppler 13 radar as that risk for a couple strong to severe storms will continue. The biggest threats right now will be the damaging wind potential, the hail, and that flooding threat due to the slow movement of these storms. Future Track 13, pretty good job on the placement of these storms. Eventually the line will lift north, and the thinking is that's going to happen around 1-2 o'clock in the morning. And then for us, we will focus on the heat. That will be the big story over the next couple of days for us. Early morning temperatures in the upper 60s, will be in the low 80s by noon. Eventual highs tomorrow with sunshine in the upper 80s, close to 90. We're also going to be close to 90 degrees on Wednesday. Cold front you're going to hear a lot about over the next couple of days. Doesn't quite get here. They're going to be in the 50s in Des Moines, 60s in Milwaukee. For us, we don't get quite that cool. We stay on the warm side of this weather system over the next couple of days. As the heat takes over, rain chances will be slim. But when we get this hot, this humid, we can't rule out a pop-up thunderstorm, so we will keep that in the forecast for tomorrow, with highs again close to 90 degrees Tuesday and Wednesday. Partly cloudy on Thursday. 82. We will cool down into the upper 70s for Friday, but back into the low to mid 80s with a slight rain chance Saturday and Sunday.